While Bollywood and Indian TV celebs always manages to impress us with their chic fashion sense, there are times when they fail badly. Recently, few popular faces from glamour industry donned some weird fashion stuff that raised several eyebrows. Priyanka Chopra. Bollywood actress Priyanka is quite popular across the world for her amazing and bold fashion sense. But recently, she made a blunder. In recent time, PC along with husband Nick Jonas attended BAFTA 2021 where she wore a red floral jacket. She paired up the frontal open jacket with white harem trousers. Her jacket was a revealing one, and though the actress wore it bravely, she got trolled badly. Her fans did not like this choice of outfit of the actress and chose her fashion to be one of the weirdest. Nora Fatehi. The dancing sensation of Bollywood, Nora Fatehi has recently made her fans upset with her weird taste in fashion. Nora Fatehi recently wore a brown-colored short along with an ill-fitted black t-shirt, and she looked quite weird in this outfit. Fashion police of B-Town hated her look and listed her fashion as one of the weirdest of this week. Kriti Sanon. This Bollywood actress always impresses with her style statement, but one of her recent airport looks was too weird to take. Kriti recently wore a two-tone jogger and hoodie set, and her whole look was comfortable but not appealing at all. Her look was little off from what she wears often, and the outfit is considered as a weird one. Rubina Dilaik. Winner of Bigg Boss Season 14, Rubina Dilaik recently made a blunder in her fashion and got trolled for it. Rubina, in one of her recent photo shoots, wore a neon green off-shoulder dress along with a floral headgear. Her headgear was too much to take and she got trolled heavily for the headgear, and her weird look was butt of the jokes. Hina Khan. Hina is definitely one of the most stylish actresses in Indian TV, but her recent outfit choices have disappointed people. She recently wore a silver shimmery formal look shirt and paired it up with shimmery hot pants, and her look was disastrous. Not only she recently chose a weird outfit for her airport look, her dress along with ankle-length boots and hat looked weird altogether. Sonam Kapoor. Hailed as the fashionista of Bollywood, Sonam always carried any outfit with great ease. But in one of her recent photo shoots, she wore a white and gold outfit which had frills in it. The look of the Neerja actress failed miserably, and she failed badly to impress people with her weird looks.